Deugro was awarded the transport of 54 kilometers of high-voltage cable for the Turkish Crossing Project, a crucial subsea cable connection across the Dardanelles Strait. The client, Prysmian Powerlink, requested a turnkey, all-in-one service solution. At the client's state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Pikala, Finland, 3,300 metric tons of cable were spooled onto two custom-designed tanks on board a heavy-lift vessel, all while operating within a tight project deadline, facing technical challenges and harsh weather conditions. Upon completion of spooling operations, the ship transported the cable from Finland to Istanbul. Here, it was transpooled directly onto the installation vessel Julio Verne. Initially, Prysmian only tendered the ocean transport of the cable, but then the scope was extended and Deugro became the vendor of choice to orchestrate all project activities. These included the installation of static tanks on board the heavy-lift vessel BBC Jingdang and a conversion of its bow section. The modifications were carried out in Bremerhaven, Germany. The vessel's box-shaped cargo hold provided the ideal home for the cable tanks. These static tanks will accommodate and transfer the 54 kilometers of submarine cable. For the vessel to receive the cable, the forward cable chute had to be positioned just right. Custom-installed rollers were welded across the wave breaker, providing a seamless handshake from factory to tank. In Pikala, Finland, the equipment was put to the test. The project team encountered surface ice and a fairly long distance from the ship's anchor position to shore. This required a perfectly aligned mooring system and constant monitoring. Prysmian's factory remained in full operation during the project, manufacturing state-of-the-art cable for HVAC and HVDC cable systems. These cables are the high-tech arteries of power transmission for land and subsea connections. In just a week, 24 kilometers of cable were spooled at up to 10 meters per minute onto tank number 1, with an additional 30 kilometers safely reeled in the second tank, all under the constant supervision, monitoring and testing of the client, Deugro, DTEC and the vessel's team. The safe transport and delivery of the cable to Istanbul showcases yet again Deugro's readiness to lead complex operations and work with new, out-of-the-box methodologies. Deugro is an industry leader in turnkey project logistics for clients all over the world. We combine our best minds to define logistics and deliver safety. Please visit deugro.com and follow us on YouTube.